Happy Monday, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead video. I hope everyone enjoyed their weekend, and if you celebrated, had a fabulous Mother's Day weekend. Real quick, if you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best real work from home job leads available and bringing them straight to you on a daily basis. So to make sure that you never miss another video that is posted, make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. That way YouTube will let you know every time I post a new job lead, and you can get those applications in quickly, as some jobs tend to be very popular and fill up very quickly. But without wasting any more time, let's just jump into today's video. The big athletic company Under Armour is hiring for a lot of work from home job positions right now. I will have this page linked down in the description below, along with, I think I have 4 jobs that I'm going to share with you from Under Armour today. In case you want to take a look at this main page, this is just sorted by remote, and you can see under the location it says remote, and then it gives a country. They are hiring for multiple countries, including Germany, the United Kingdom, and the United States. So you might want to scroll through here and see if there's any positions that I don't show that appeal to you. But without further ado, the first position is a temporary position, but it is a customer service representative. So they are hiring a customer service representative to work with their e-commerce call center, connecting with Under Armour customers across several channels of communication. So this is not just telephone, but also chat and email. So they want someone to be the voice of UnderArmour.com, delivering world-class customer service for their e-commerce customer base. So you will be helping people who are trying to make orders online. And again, they say that communication will be done through phone, chat, email, and social media. So you'll need to maintain an in-depth and up-to-date knowledge of product sales techniques and become a product expert. You'll need to identify and communicate trends and improvements that could help their business. You'll refine your sales skills and ongoing participation in sales meetings and training, and you'll meet and exceed all performance objectives that are set for you. Now, they are looking for someone who is analytical, who is a problem solver, who has great customer service skills, great interpersonal skills, great oral communication skills, and can work in a team. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree, but they also say that they'll take 2 years of equivalent customer service experience over a bachelor degree, so you do not have to have a degree if you have the experience. They would like someone who has a familiarity with IT systems and functions. And if you are bilingual in Spanish, that is a plus that gets you possibly to the top of the line. And they do say that they require to have someone who has the ability to work a flexible schedule, because it could include days, evenings, or weekends. Next up, they are hiring a digital product content creator, and this is remote in the United States. And they are looking for someone to contribute and execute digital product creation, 3D goals, create end-to-end digital products that helps fuels the growth of Under Armour, apparel, footwear, and accessories, 3D support for internal and external partners. So some of the things you would be doing is manipulating and maintaining accurate, visual appealing digital samples and meeting deadlines. You'll collaborate with internal and external partners to establish more automated process in their creation of digital products. You'll stay current in software releases, and you'll support the internal teams with motion graphics. So of course, some of the skills that you need for this is you need to have proficiency in digital landscaping, 3D modeling, surfacing knowledge. Rhino 3D is preferred. Apparel 3D, so you need to know how to use all these software programs, Adobe, Photoshop, and After Effects. They do require 1 to 3 years of experience, and they would like a bachelor in a related field like design, apparel, fashion, motion graphics, or animation. Next up, we have a position that is remote for our UK viewers, and this is for the Manchester region, and they are hiring a professional collections specialist. They need someone to support the rapid growth of the Under Armour brand in the Northern Europe region, focusing on UK and Ireland. And so they are looking for someone to effectively manage the accounts receivable portfolio for their golf accounts in UK and Ireland. So you will manage the general aging of the accounts receivable portfolio for the golf accounts. You'll use frequent telephone and email communication with the customers as part of the general cash collection process. You'll ensure timely running of the direct debit program in conjunction with the cash apps department, and you'll support the cash application specialist by obtaining customer payment information in a timely manner. So for this position, they are looking for someone who has a 2-year post-education experience in accounts receivable or any college level education, someone who is fluent in English and has knowledge in Excel, along with strong numerical knowledge and high attention to detail. And last up for you, I have a trainer of customer service. This is a remote position in the United States. They are looking for someone to support the North American customer service team by training their new hires, retraining existing teammates on new processes or system implementations. So some of your responsibilities will be support the training manager in preparing and delivering training programs for new and current teammates. You will onboard any new customer service teammates using their virtual strategy. You will maintain accurate training records and provide training data upon request. You'll have to collaborate with the IT teams for rollouts and configurations of training needs. You'll analyze, design, develop, and implement training as needed, and you'll engage in any other learning and developmental projects as required. So this does require someone who can communicate effectively, someone who drives improvement and can make data-driven decisions, someone who has great attention to detail and the ability to both work independently and cooperatively in a team setting. They are looking for someone who has a bachelor's degree and 3 to 5 years of work experience. That is any work experience. However, they do say that if you have experience in apparel or retail setting, that is a plus. They're looking for someone who has knowledge of training principles and again, who can be proficient in Microsoft Office Suite. If you found any of this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button because that gives me direct feedback that you are enjoying and the work from home job leads that I bring you and that they are helpful to someone. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.